Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Starter Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're going to talk about our hobbies and free time activities.
That's right. We all need time to relax after work or school. Having a hobby is not only fun, but also helps us learn new things and feel happier.
In this lesson, we'll explore different hobbies, useful English phrases, and ideas for spending your free time well.
So sit back, relax, and think about what you love to do when you have free time.
Before we start, what is a hobby? A hobby is something you enjoy doing regularly in your free time. It's not your job. It's something that makes you feel good.
Exactly. Some people like creative hobbies like painting, drawing, or writing. Others prefer active hobbies like running, swimming, or playing sports.
And some hobbies are calm and quiet, like reading books, gardening, or knitting.
It doesn't matter what you do, as long as it helps you relax and express yourself.
Let's talk about our own hobbies. So, Ben, what are your hobbies?
I have a few. I really enjoy playing football. I play every weekend with my friends at the park. It's fun and it keeps me healthy. I also love listening to music, especially pop and soft rock. When I listen to English songs, it helps me learn pronunciation and rhythm. And in the evenings, I sometimes watch movies to relax.
That sounds great! I also like music and movies. For me, my favorite hobby is painting. When I paint, I feel calm and creative. I forget about stress. I also love reading books, especially stories about travel and self-improvement. Books take me to different places and give me new ideas.
That's wonderful. Painting and reading are relaxing hobbies. How often do you paint?
Usually on weekends, I put on some music, make a cup of tea, and paint for hours. It's like meditation. How about football for you? Do you play in a team?
Yes, I play with my neighborhood team. We're not professionals, but we always have fun. Sometimes we even organize small matches and invite families to watch.
That sounds exciting. Playing sports with friends is a great way to stay active and social.
You know, hobbies are not just for fun. They have real benefits.
That's true. Hobbies can improve our mental health. When we focus on something we enjoy, our minds relax and we feel happier.
Right. They also help us learn new skills. For example, if you cook as a hobby, you learn about ingredients, recipes, and different cultures.
Yes, and some hobbies can even turn into jobs. Many photographers or designers started just for fun.
Another benefit is meeting new people. Joining a club or a group can connect you with others who share your interests.
Absolutely. And for language learners, hobbies can be a great way to practice English. You can read English books, watch English videos about your hobby, or join online communities.
So hobbies help your mind, your body, and your language skills too.
Let's look at some popular hobbies around the world.
In Japan, people enjoy calligraphy, origami, and flower arrangement. These hobbies focus on beauty and patience.
In the United States, outdoor hobbies are very popular, like camping, hiking, or fishing.
In Europe, Many people love cycling, baking, and traveling.
And in our country, people often enjoy cooking with family, playing traditional music, or spending time in nature.
No matter where you're from, hobbies show something about your culture and personality. They're a way to share who you are with others.
That's so true. We'd love to know, what hobbies are popular where you live? Tell us in the comments.
Now let's talk about useful phrases you can use to describe your hobbies in English.
Here are a few examples. I enjoy. I'm interested in. I spend my free time. My favorite hobby is. I'm really into. These days.
You can also ask someone about their hobbies like this. What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies? Do you have any special interests? How do you spend your weekends?
Let's give some examples in full sentences. I enjoy playing guitar. I'm interested in photography. I spend my free time watching documentaries. My favorite hobby is cooking new dishes. I'm really into cycling these days.
Perfect! Remember to use verbs with ing after enjoy, like, and love. For example, I enjoy reading, not I enjoy to read.
Good reminder. English learners often forget that.
Here's a quick grammar tip. When you talk about your hobbies, you usually use the present simple tense because hobbies are things you do regularly.
Exactly. For example, I play football on Sundays. She likes painting in her free time. They go swimming every weekend.
And if you want to talk about something you've recently started, use the present perfect. I've just started learning the guitar. I've recently joined a yoga class.
Those are excellent examples. Simple grammar, but very useful for daily conversation. Let's talk about how hobbies help us grow as people.
Good idea. Hobbies teach patience and focus. When you learn to play an instrument or paint, you practice being patient.
Yes, and they also teach discipline. If you go running every morning, it becomes a healthy habit.
Hobbies also build confidence. When you learn something new, you feel proud of yourself.
And sometimes, hobbies lead us to discover new dreams. Maybe someone who loves taking photos will become a photographer someday.
That's the magic of hobbies. They make life more colorful and full of possibilities.
In today's busy world, many people say, I don't have time for hobbies. But even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference.
That's right. Turn off your phone for a while, stop scrolling, and do something creative. You'll feel more refreshed.
Having a balance between work, study, and free time is important for a healthy life.
So find something you truly enjoy. Even small things like cooking, reading, or walking in the park.
Exactly. Your hobby doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to make you happy. So, what did we learn today? We talked about what hobbies are, why they're important, and how to talk about them in English.
We also explored hobbies from different cultures and learned some useful phrases and grammar tips.
Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell us, what do you like to do in your free time? What new hobby would you like to try this year?
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Starter Podcast for more fun English lessons every week.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep doing what you love.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you the next episode.